Hello, today I'm going to show you a walking tour of Halesworth. There's a new shop here called the Magikal Emporium that I want to look at, and also all the other independent shops and pubs and some of the history as well. So come with me on a walk around Halesworth. So here's the shop we came here mainly to see, the Magikal Emporium, which is in Marketplace. There's so many lovely bits in here. So this is the area where they do workshops. There's some alternative clothing here. Some black things, a lot of tie-dye. So right at the back of the shop, here is the healing room. Looks very lovely and peaceful in there. This is on the same ley line that the church is on, which I'm going to show you in a little bit later. There's a list of the events here, but when I upload the video, I will give you a link to their website.
So this is where we would do readings from. We also have like an open library where people bring books in that they no longer read, so that everyone can share in some information. And then we hold mini workshops in here. You can hire this space, use this space. And then obviously I do my readings, my soul guidance readings and mediumship from in here.
Already we're coming across some really nice, pretty historical buildings along the road from the train station, which is just up there. So here we are in the town centre of Halesworth. So I'll show you some of the independent shops that are here. There's a music shop here. Here's the Clash album here with the picture of the steps on the front of it, which I showed you in the video of Camden. This is the White Hart pub. It was once a courtroom and was built in 1644. Still has all the original beams and the fireplace inside, but it's not open, so I can't show you it. I keep finding all these nice little independent bakeries and cafes. This shop, Focus Organic, smells lovely from the outside, so let's go and have a look in there. There's a very lovely gift shop at the back. This is the Angel pub. Was built in the 16th century and was originally a coaching inn for people travelling in between London, Ipswich and Norwich, and was also the council meeting chambers. We decided to stop for lunch at the Angel. It was so nice that I forgot to do a video before I started eating. There's some signs here that tell you all about the town and the history, and some signs here that tell you where to find things. I always look at this little house when I come here. It's a pity there's no one living in it by the look of it. This shop looks interesting, the Halesworth Artisan Store, which is in Marketplace.
It's been specially designed by children from Mencat, I think.
So you'll notice in this video that sometimes I'm talking and then sometimes there's words on the screen, and it's because when there's loud music you can't hear me. So here we are at Halesworth Church. So it's open, so we'll go and have a look in there. This church is also on YouTube. It's a very ornate looking front there. Stained glass window at the back. So these are the almshouses, which were built in the 17th century with money from a will, which was left to help the poor people of Halesworth. This is the Cut. It's an art centre just up from this road called New Cut, and there's up to the train station. Here we are at the Halesworth Museum, which is at the train station.
I mean, our house was my history, and they want to know the history of the house. Like, people lived in it before.
Here we are back at the Halesworth train station, waiting to go back to Lowestoft. We've had a lovely day here today. Didn't find any goth shops really, but we found 2 or 3 shops that were sympathetic to the goth subculture, so it's a really good day to come in here and have a look round. Don't forget to visit the links that are in the description. Thank you for watching.